you go and try to wake me up?
Yeah.
You did? When Grandma wasn't there? Did you take your binky out with you? Did Santa sure? Oh. Do you want me to put it back in your bed? Who's on it?
Mickey and Donald.
Oh, it's a Mickey and Donald book. Oh, we'll read that later.
Yeah.
Go get more surprises.
It's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Is Mickey Mouse Clubhouse? Oh, Toodles is on it.
Two days in it.
Oh, that's gonna be fun. Do you want me to hold him and then you can help him?
All right, bud, go get another surprise. Go find another one.
Another surprise. Daddy, Mama.
Bubby, go get another surprise. Here, baby. Get another surprise.
Mama, give me
Carter, look at Santa gave you another one.
another one.
Yeah, Santa gave you another one. No, that's that's from Santa. Oh, that's to Carter.
That's for mommy.
Oh, that's for mommy?
Those are for mommy.
Oh, Santa wrote the wrong name on them. Oh, sorry.
Carter, those are for mommy.
Santa wrote the wrong name on them.
Carter, give that to mommy.
Do you want me to-
Okay, mommy can.
And you can help him?
Mommy.
Are those mine?
Oh, I didn't even notice this on the back.
Is that for me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna open one of your presents since you opened one of mine.
No.
Well, then why are you opening my present?
Give it to mommy to open.
Thank you. I wonder what it is.
What is it?
I don't know. You gotta open it. It's from Grandma and Grandpa. Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
Grandpa.
Well, oh, that, can I put Carter's name in there?
Is that for Carter or for Kellen?
Kellen.
Oh, sorry. This is for Kellen, baby. Wait. Look, it says Kellen.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, my bad. This is for Kellen too. Here.
Grandma's got to get her names right.
No, I
No,
had it
it
right.
says, I
had
read it
Kellen.
wrong. This is for Carter.
I had Kellen's name on it.
I can't see you guys open presents when you're doing behind the ottoman.
You see him now?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's from Aunt Laura, Uncle Joe, Maddie, and Nikki.
That's for you and Kellen?
And it's for Carter and Helen. Yeah, turn it over. Why don't you turn it over? Why don't you turn it over? And then rip it this way.
Look here.
What is it?
Oh, another toy that makes a lot of noise. How thoughtful.
It's a karaoke machine so you can sing. Because you like to sing so much. That was nice of them. Yeah, we'll take this out. Go open another one.
Another one.
Yeah, go open another one. How about this one? How about this one? Open this one.
I wonder what that could be. Kellen's watching me.
Oh, that looks like a lot of fun.
Yeah! Do you like soccer? Good.
Oh, wow.
And a cone too? Well, that's fun. I'm gonna need a little help.
Hold it up in the air. Let me see it.
Let's see how to see it.
Carter, hold it up in the air so I can see it. Hold it up. Over your head.
Two hands, face the camera. Show Daddy in the camera. Oh, he's getting strong. Getting it, Carter? Why don't you open another present meanwhile? And then we'll open up everything.
Carter, you're gonna hurt yourself on that. Go pick out another present.
Oh, wow, that is a big one. Holy cow.
Whoa, that one's really big.
Lovey, why would you help him? I think that one's yours.
Mine.
Is that yours?
What do you mean?
Oh, no, that's not yours.
Carter, come do it over here, bud.
Move it over back over where you were. Over there. Bring it over there. Yeah, take it over there. So Daddy can see you in the pictures. Go ahead, I'll go over there. I'll push it. You got it? Oh, you're so strong.
Open it, Carter. Open it here. Yeah.
Wow, how much tape down for that one?
Close this one. And one piece of paper. Okay. Wow,
What
what is
is
it?
it?
What is it?
Oh,
Is it a
you
broom?
can help Daddy
So
clean.
you can help me, you can help mommy and daddy clean? Yeah? You excited? You like your own broom? Good. Alright, let's get, there's more surprises. Santa gave you more surprises too.
Oh,
Yeah.
natural.
That one's for Callan, baby. That's for daddy. That one's for daddy. You wanna give it to daddy?
You want me to open mine? Oh, thank you.
You wanna give it to Callan? You wanna give that one to Callan? Hey, Carter, give it to Callan so he can open.
Oh, you're so strong.
You're so strong. Okay, Callan, I'm gonna help you open this one. Carter,
Carter, look.
tell Callan, I'm gonna help you open this. Look at Callan. Hey, look at Callan and say, I help you open. Carter, say, I'll help you open this one, Callan. Okay. Next year you can open it, Callan.
That's right. Carter's first year was what, 6 months?
Yeah,
All he did was kept banging on the bags and they opened. Oh.
You gotta put it, that's for your baby brother. That is for your baby brother.
I think there's. What else is there, Lovey?
There's a lot more surprises. All those
Oh,
bags
just
and markers
these are the,
for Carter, for Santa.
There's a box here too, buddy. On the chair there. Look, right there. Yeah, that's for you too. It's for you and Kellen.
From Uncle Brian, Nate, and Chloe. Can you open it or do you need help? Okay. I don't know. Pull it out. What is it? Let's see. Oh, this is a bear. Look,
Oh.
it's a bear. And there's another one in here. Yeah, let's see what this is.
Do they move or anything, the bag? Or is it just a...
Oh, it's an ornament.
Oh, I love it.
socks.
Did he put Nate Chloe's picture in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a really good picture.
I got, he sent me one.
And look, you got little reindeer socks. And you got your own bear too, Kellen. We both got bears. Which bear do you want? You want that one? Okay. And Kellen, can I have this one? Okay.
That is cute.
Carter, turn around and tell me what the bear says. Turn around.
Turn around and look at Daddy. Tell Daddy what the bear says.
What does a bear say? Yeah, you do.
You know
Turn
what it
around.
says.
What does a bear say?
These are so cute.
They are.
You go swing? Here, this is the one. Love it.
Yeah, you put the same picture on mine.
We're going next to Chewbacca.
Bless you, Carter.
Carter, there's more present. This one's to Carter from Santa. This one's from Santa. It's a robe. You need help? Okay.
God bless you.
Right here on the side. Oh, actually, no, you do it this way. Go this way. Go this way. Is Carter sitting that way? Hi. Woo, Santa got you, Mom. Oh, this is gonna be so nice. What did Santa get you, Carter?
Uh-oh.
Did he get you a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse? Okay, we'll get you that. But it's a rug. It's a Goofy car. Oh, show Daddy.